So have you seen the new dash cam from Navman? The MyView M820D, which has been designed specifically for motorcyclists, is the perfect addition to your ride if you want peace of mind the next time you head out on a trip. And we've fitted one to LTR's camera bike just to show you how good this system really is. Featuring a sleek, compact design that's easy to install and won't obstruct your view, and you can install this yourself, although we do recommend an auto electrician to fit it. And not only does the unit provide unequivocal proof of what happens in the unfortunate event of an accident with clear full HD footage shot in Super MP4, it also features premium Starvis sensors front and rear to capture detail in low light, superb contrast and rich colours, along with a built-in GPS and 3-axis G sensor, which allows footage to be tagged with precise location, along with direction of impact and speed. It also automatically saves footage when an impact is detected, ensuring you don't miss anything. Other handy features include parking mode, which is the first ever dash cam to include this feature. With front and rear motion detection, any movement around or direct contact to your motorcycle while it's parked triggers a recording and an alert to your phone. Add to that Audible alerts for fixed speed and safety cameras, along with school zone alerts, which can be all updated via the MyView Pro app, and it really is a brilliant dash cam. And filming in full high definition, 1080p, front and rear at 60 frames per second, you'll get some great riding footage, which is simple to download and share from the app. You can also create trip lapse video, condensing your best long rides into short shareable clips. The standout night vision capability also ensures excellent clarity even in low light conditions, which is perfect for those nighttime rides. And with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, the MyView M820D reduces blind spots, capturing more of the road. And another great feature is that being wired directly to the bike, you never have to disconnect or charge. It really is a reliable and feature-packed dash cam for motorcycles, and gives you peace of mind every time you flick up the side stand. Now for the exciting part. Thanks to Navman, we've been given a MyView M820D to give away to a lucky subscriber. To enter, make sure you've subscribed or you follow Live to Ride socials. Then all you have to do is like this video and comment below on your favourite feature of the new Navman M820D. Winners will be announced via our socials on September the 20th. So don't miss out and make sure you enter.